Welcome to Studium, the ultimate study tool for students who want to take control of their academic journey. Whether you're tracking study time, managing tasks, or setting goals, Studium has everything you need to stay organized and productive. When you log into Studium, you will be greeted with your dashboard. Your dashboard is where you can track your study time, assignments completed, total study goals, total tasks completed, to-do list, recent assignments, study goals, recent notes, and study buddies. On top, next to your profile circle, you have a Timer Start button. Timer Start tracks your time studying, doing research, or anything related to academics. You can click on the Timer Start button to activate the timer. You can proceed to do any other task on Studium. The timer will run in the background. You can go to any other tab on the left. The timer will still be running. When you click on the Timer Start button again, it will stop and record your time on the dashboard under Study Today. If you like to take a break, you can stop the timer. When you want to continue, you can click on the timer again, and it will start timing you again. It will add the time again to the Study Today section on the dashboard. Please note that you don't have to be in the Dashboard tab to start and stop the timer, but please always save your work before clicking on the timer. You can be in any tab and start and stop the timer. But to view the time studied, you need to be in the Dashboard tab. To-Dos tab. When you are on the To-Dos tab, you will see Add To-Dos on the top right. When you click on it, you will see the Add Task window. The deadline is when you would like your task to be completed. When you click on the date under the deadline, a calendar pops up to choose a date for your task to be complete. Next is the task field. Give your task a name. After that is priority. You have 3 priorities: high, medium, and low. You can choose any based on the priority of your task. After that, you can write a brief description of your task. When you go to the dashboard, you can see your tasks in the to-do list, prioritized according to their level. Let's add another high-level priority task and see what happens. You can see that tasks with high priority are placed higher in the to-do list on the Dashboard tab. If you look down, you can see total tasks, completed, and task progress. Let's finish a task in the To-Dos tab and come back to the dashboard to see how this is influenced. Let's go to the To-Dos tab and click on the block next to a task. And go to the dashboard. The completed task number changed to 1. The more you tick off in the To-Dos tab, the more it will change. Let's go back to the To-Dos tab. On the right, you see 2 icons, a pencil and a dustbin. When you click on the pencil, you can edit the task and save it. The dustbin icon allows you to delete a task. Let's look at the Study Goals tab. When you click on the Study Goals tab, you will see 2 buttons named Create New Study Goal and Categories. When this is your first time using Studium, it's good to set up categories. Think of categories like subjects you have in school, such as math, bio, and English. Or categories can also be like different fields you study. Let's click on the Categories button and add a new category. You will be presented with a window where you can input a name. I will say math and click Save. I will add some other subjects too. Next, go back to the Study Goals tab and create a new study goal. A window will open with New Study Goal and input fields for what topic do you want to learn, studying for, and choosing a category. You can also choose your start date and end date. Give your project a description and save. When you click on the dashboard, you can see that the total study goals have updated to 1. Go to the Study Goal tab. There's a pencil icon where you can edit your study goal and a dustbin icon to delete the study goal. Let's complete this study goal by clicking on the box next to the goal and going back to the dashboard. We can see one completed, assignments. Let's look at the Assignments tab. You will find 2 buttons, Create Assignment and Assignment List. Click on Create Assignment and a new window opens. New Assignment Study Plan. Give your assignment a title. If there is a related goal, you can select it. Next, we have status with 3 self-explanatory levels: pending, started, and finished. Write a short summary in the assignment summary field. You also have a choice of start date and end date. Project description. Write a description about your project and save. Let's look at the Assignment List button. It shows a list view of your assignments and a search option to search your assignments. When you click on the circle with the dots under Action, you can open or edit your assignment. Let's open the assignment. On the window that opens, you can find information about the current assignment, the name of the assignment, status, deadline, start date, and task complete. Below, you will find details, tasks. You can create tasks for your assignment, like parts or steps to complete your assignment. Click on the Tasks tab and add a task. Assign a due date, task, select Assign to None, and a description and save. On the Task tab, click the block next to the task for the assignment and click on the Details tab. You can see that the task completed changes. We will explore the Resources tab at a later time.